The Allstate Corporation, ALL, has been showing a consistent trend that appears to be a Darvas box pattern. It recently broke the fourth level of this pattern, suggesting a potential breakout. This breakout has several key characteristics, such as a gap above all-time highs, increased volume above average, and a new range or box formation. The earnings report expected in February is positive, news sentiment is good, and the short seller's position is low. To take advantage of this momentum, I plan to enter the market at today's closing, while setting a stop loss above the 135 mark to allow for potential pullbacks. The goal is to ride the trend and take advantage of this potential breakout. Wait, there is more! Cardinal Health, CAH, has been one of my favorite stocks. It tends to move in periods characterized by explosive upward movements, aggressive pullbacks, and long consolidations. The key to making money with this stock is correctly timing the move's beginning. There are some signals to take seriously. For instance, the stock is trading above my QS trend indicator, the volume is picking up, and the long-time negative MACD is changing direction. On a positive note, the news sentiment is favorable, and short sellers' exposure is low.